Hello and welcome to Drawing Landscapes with Lines and Patterns. So last week we started drawing patterns. We're going to use some of those patterns today to build a picture. What you'll need is paper, pencil, a marker, and maybe something to color with. So go ahead and get your materials, and when you're ready, meet me back here and we'll get started. Alright, so we're going to start our picture with some zigzag lines to make mountains. I got my paper and it's sideways. I'm going to draw a big zigzag line across my paper. Some big zigs and some little zigs and zags. There we go. Next I'm going to use wavy lines around the tops of my mountains. That's going to show where the snow line is. Just my tallest mountains have snow. There we go. Pretty simple. Next, we're going to go ahead and look at the water at the bottom of my picture. I'm going to be using this scalloped line or scalloped lines to make my water. So I'm going to go across the bottom of my paper like this, starting at the edge. And there you go. You can see how I'm making my scalloped line. I'm going to take my time, do it kind of slowly. Come in with my next line. I'm going to fill in the bottom of my paper with that pattern until it's full. Alright, next I'm going to be adding a waterfall, and this part is kind of complicated, so I'm going to show it to you twice. The first time's kind of fast, so just watch the first time. I'm going to pick my spot between two mountains and make two curvy lines that come to the right and then two curvy lines that come to the left. Now, that was kind of quick, so let's see it again, slower this time. There we go. My second line there is a little higher than my first line. And I do my other line going the other way. It's a curvy line. And curve again. Alright, now I'm going to make some more smaller mountains with zigzag lines. And they're going to go on either side of my waterfall. Zigzag line on that side and a small zigzag line on the left side. There we go. Alright, now to make sure that it's clear my waterfall is water, I'm going to use wavy lines inside. I have a wavy line coming down. There we go. Next, I'm going to put a sun or a moon in the sky. It's up to you, whichever you want. I'm just going to use a circle. And then we're going to make some trees. My trees start out with vertical lines. I'm just going to put a few vertical lines under my small mountains. And then I add these diagonal lines or chevrons. And you probably remember how to make trees from previous lessons we've done. But if not, just go ahead and look at this. It's pretty simple. Alright, now I've added my trees. The last part is important. You gotta sign our name in the corner. So I'm putting my name. And I put 21 because the year is 2021. And that's when I did this. So if you want to color your picture, you can go ahead and color it. I'm using markers, and I'm using a lot of those same lines. See, I'm using diagonal lines to color my top mountains, and I'm using straight lines to color my lower mountains. I took a black marker and I outlined some of my important lines. There we go, with those diagonal lines. And I used the scallop line to color my water. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. I can't wait to see your work. Bye for now.